So here is a comparison between a street bike and a ADV bike, and I just want to let you know I feel the I know the ADV is much better on the street on rough roads. So anyway, you probably already know this. I'm just showing you this video. You got the G meter. Also, I took the stability off of the camera, and it's a helmet camera, so there's going to be a little more jiggling, so maybe it'll replicate it, a little bit more realistic, real world experience. So this is my attempt at that. So good luck watching the video. Thank you for watching.